Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the vSeeBox V6 Plus. This is a streaming box, and to be honest with you, I've tried a lot of streaming boxes before, but this is by far my most favorite one. I love how they have the menu system laid out so easy. I like the remote control that comes with it. Oh my goodness, take a look at this remote control. The button system, the quality of it. Love it. It's nice big buttons, and it's more options than I can count. Let's get right into the review. Right out of the box, setup was refreshingly simple. Plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi, sign in, and you're off. Within minutes, I was browsing channels and wondering why I didn't do this sooner. The interface is clean, fast, and modern. Everything loads quickly, scrolling is smooth, and switching channels doesn't come with that dreaded pause where you question your life's choices. Whether you're jumping between live TV, movies, or sports, the V6 Plus keeps things moving without hiccups. Let's talk about picture quality, because this is where the V6 Plus really shines. The streams are crisp and clear, even on large TVs, and the overall performance feels stable and reliable. No constant buffering, no random freezes, just solid streaming that lets you actually enjoy what you're watching. Sports look great, movies feel immersive, and live TV, well, it's live. One thing I really appreciate is how everything is in one place. Instead of bouncing between apps and subscriptions, the V6 Plus gives you access to massive variety of content without the usual hassle. You'll find yourself scrolling through channels you didn't even know existed and somehow watching them anyway. The box itself runs quietly and stays cool even after hours of use, which is always a good sign. Updates happen smoothly in the background, and the overall experience feels polished and well thought out. The vSeeBox V6 Plus is one of those rare devices that does exactly what it's supposed to, and does it well. It's reliable, easy to use, and packed with content, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a no-stress entertainment setup. If you're looking for a streaming box that just works and keeps you watching instead of troubleshooting, the V6 Plus is absolutely worth it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Check this out. I'll have a link down below in the description where you can find this on Amazon or the website. Loving it. I am loving it. Hey, talk to you later. Have a good day. Adios. Goodbye.